Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube TV on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. This works on most Android TV and Google TV models from Sony. First, turn on your Sony Bravia TV. Make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi so you can download apps. Next, open the Google Play Store. On the home screen, navigate to the Apps section. If your TV uses Google TV, select the Apps tab at the top instead. Use the search bar and type YouTube TV. Look for the official red and white YouTube TV logo. Select Install and wait for the download to finish. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, click Open or return to your home screen where the app will now appear in your app list. Choose Sign In, scan the QR code with your phone, or visit the activation link displayed on your TV. Enter the code shown on the screen to connect your account. And that's it. You've successfully installed YouTube TV on your Sony Bravia TV. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.